Hello and welcome to another video. This is Trin over at Trin TV and Trin Gaming. And as you can see, Tokyo Treat has arrived for this month. I've been looking forward to this moment. Let's get into it. I'm excited. I've been trying to stay away from seeing if there's anything else or anyone else doing pictures and stuff for this. I do not know what's in here. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right. Got a book. Let's see what we got. All right, so I'm going to there we go. This is everything. There's some cool stuff in here. There's some cool stuff in here. All right, are we ready? These. What? Look at these. These are kind of awesome. They are Caramucho hot chili flavored chips. So yeah, they look like just regular barbecue chips, I guess. Oh no. Is this some kind of like potage? No. It is Calbee barbecue flavored Sapporo potato snacks. Looking good. What's up with this? This thing looks pretty cool. Look at that. This is chocolate Monaca. All right, cool. We got this. It's a nice DIY, I think. The chocolate flour and green tea flavored mochi. No. Okay, it's not a DIY. I don't think. It doesn't say it's a... Oh, it is a DIY. Okay, this is a DIY. I can read, everybody. I can read. What is this? Oh my god, this is so awesome. Look at this. It's a carrot. Carrot chopped rice cake. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. Wasabi grilled seaweed. That looks pretty interesting. What the hell is this? Baby Star Bonito Kelp Udon. I might try this. Oh no. Oh. For some reason, I thought this was like Parappa the Rapper. And then I was sadly disappointed. This is Baby Star Yakisoba sauce flavored. So is this like a bunch of savory snacks this time? Ramune somethings. Raw Ramune candy. Raw? I don't know what they mean by that. Meiji's Plum Patty-chan. Plum Patty-chan. What are these? If you know what these are, I have no idea what they are. They're just crunchy little snacks? Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, these things! Puka! Oh, it's crushed. So sad. I like these snacks. These things are really cool. Puka chocolate. Those things are nice. What are these? What's up with this panda? This panda's awesome. Crunchy Panda Z. Crunchy Panda Z. There's chocolate panda heads. I'm probably eating this whole box and not sharing. Ooh. I've had these before. These flan. Oh, custard pudding. Koala March custard pudding flavored. probably eaten all of these too. Yeah, the puka, these. I'm eating all of these probably. I apologize to all my friends. And I am probably drinking this whole bottle. Oh god, I might actually not even bring this to work. Like, I'm gonna put this in the fridge, like, after this video. Pepsi Sakura. And then I got the Hello Kitty purse. Which I guess is kind of cool. I don't really need a purse, but thanks. I don't have anyone to give it to either. It's pretty cool though. I do like the design. If I needed a purse, which I don't, I'd be even more excited. And that's it. That is it. I would have liked a Doraemon. Ooh, the Lucky Crate looks cool. Look at that. Look at all those cool things. I kind of want one of those. Like, I don't want to buy I don't want to buy one, but I want one. The Love Live School Idol Festival Kotori Minami complete figure would be cool. And the Assassination Classroom Kodo Sensei plush I need. Huh. Well, that is what's in the Tokyo treat this month. What am I eating? What should I try? I feel like one of the candies, but I also feel like I should try something that I've never had before. Those are going to go back in there. I don't really want to try this. No. What is this supposed to be flavored like? Let me see. Tangy barbecue potato snacks are timeless and delectable. Bold flavor paired with a waffle cut potato chip. Huh. Interesting. But they're barbecued flavored. Which is... Alright, well, we're going to try this. We are opening. We're trying to open. Did I mention I'm bad at opening bags? Oh my god. Come on. Whoa. I don't like the smell. This is what they look like. They're pretty cool looking. Alright, we're going to try it. I hope I like the taste. I think I'm actually gonna pass. It doesn't taste. It tastes like, just barbecued flavored stuff from Japan, and yeah, I'm not sure about anyone else, but I'm not a big fan of the barbecued flavored stuff from Japan. They just don't sit well with me. I always I don't know. Someone will like those though. Should I try these ones real quick? Let's try these ones. These ones look like they're more on my level. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, look. Yep. Okay. Ooh. Those definitely have a... So you know what these taste like? they're kind of similar to, like, I guess you could say, well, not really. They're more towards like the barbecued potato chips you'd get here, like I guess Utz or something like that. Maybe even Pringles. I don't know. They just, the ones that look almost like this or very close to it, if not like this. These are good. They definitely have a kick to them. I like that. This thing. Let's see what this thing is, because now I need something that's like sweet. We'll try this one, and then we'll go ahead and wrap up the video, because it doesn't need to be that long. Alright, I have to break out the scissors, because I can't open it. Little baby scissors. Ah! Is that good enough? Good enough. I don't really want you guys to see me struggle. I struggle so much. So, anyone else that's gotten this for this month, what did you enjoy? What did you not enjoy? So it's a big, like, kind of bar that has a bunch of these on it, and I guess you can break them off and eat them. It smells pretty good, actually. Yeah. It's just like a wafer with, like, chocolate on the inside, like, I guess very close to, like, a Crunch bar, maybe? Come on, focus! Alright. Okay. So, yeah. Looking forward to this, but I want to drink it cold. Remember, like, throw up them likes if you like the content, share it. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I do this every month. Dislikes are fine too. I know they exist. They're just a thing. Again, tell me what you guys liked, what you it might have been from a previous crate. You can talk about the previous crate if you want. But yeah, what did you like? Did you get Doraemon one? Because I got this one. This is pretty cool. They're like 4 or 5 different ones, I think. I don't know. I didn't really look. And that's it. Yeah, we will see you next time when we do another video. I don't know what I'll be doing. Got a lot of stuff for next month when I get more crates and stuff. Other than that, yeah. What other kind of stuff would you want to see me do? I'm always up for suggestions. And with that, enjoy your crates in the future and now, if you're getting this one, or if you've got this one. We will see you next time. Take care.